Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying ASIN, SKU, quantities, and shipment ID so Amazon receives exact matches. Next, open Seller Central and build the FBA shipment plan. Select Send From address, packing type, and whether Amazon splits your shipment. Once done, print box-level labels and carrier waybills and affix them clearly. You should schedule a carrier pickup or arrange a drop-off immediately, because transit tracking starts once the carrier scans the first label, and Amazon receives the inbound scan details. Once the shipment is en route, monitor both carrier tracking and the shipment detail page in Seller Central to correlate scan events. This shows pickup, in-transit, and delivery attempts. Make sure Amazon's inbound shipment ID aligns with the carrier tracking number. If Amazon reports different receiving centers, note the routing changes. When you see exceptions, damaged, delayed, or missing scans, open a support case, attach carrier proof or photos, and reference the PO so Amazon can investigate and reconcile inventory faster. After delivery, confirm the received quantities in Manage FBA inventory and compare them to your shipment plan. This closes the loop. If units are short, damaged, or miscounted, immediately file an inbound shipment issue case with photos, carrier POD, and the shipment ID so Amazon can audit and reimburse. Once resolved, run weekly reconciliations and enable email or push notifications for shipment events to catch problems early. Troubleshooting tip: if scans stop updating, contact the carrier first for proof of delivery before escalating to Amazon.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.